Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cooler with wheels is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. From backyard barbecues to epic camping adventures, a reliable cooler with wheels keeps your food and drinks cold and fresh. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of 150 quart coolers with wheels, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Igloo Polar and Party Bar Series Hard Cooler. This cooler features UV inhibitors in the lid. They help guard against sun damage, ensuring it lasts longer. This feature helps protect it from the elements. The liner is designed to be stain and odor resistant. This makes it easy to clean and maintain. You can keep it fresh for every use. It comes with a threaded drain plug, perfect for hose hookup. This makes draining melted ice a breeze. It's a convenient feature for easy cleanup. The cooler has reinforced, swing-up handles with a tie-down loop. These handles make it easy to carry and secure. They are built for durability and convenience. It features dual, snap-fit latches to secure the lid. This ensures a tight seal, keeping contents cold. These latches provide added security. The cooler includes a snap lock, child safety latch. This provides an extra layer of protection. It ensures the contents are secure. What we like. This cooler features UV inhibitors to protect against sun damage, perfect for outdoor use. The stain-resistant liner makes cleaning a breeze. If you are looking for a cooler that can withstand the elements and is easy to maintain, you should consider this one. What people say. The cooler's wheels and handle made it easy to transport, even when fully loaded. The cooler kept ice for several days. The drain made it easy to empty the cooler. Number 4. TRINITY 100 Quart Stainless Steel Beverage Cooler. Introducing the TRINITY Beverage Cooler, perfect for any gathering. This portable cooler is designed for both residential and commercial use. It's spacious, durable, and easy to move around. This cooler can hold up to 120 cans, ensuring you have plenty of drinks for everyone. The detachable tub makes it simple to remove from the stand for easy transport. Built with high-quality 304 stainless steel, this cooler is made to last. The cart can hold up to 250 pounds, and the shelf can hold up to 50 pounds of extra supplies. With swivel-locking wheels, it's easy to move around. It also includes strong side handles, a drainage plug, and a built-in bottle opener with a cap catcher. Assembly is quick and easy, taking only about 20 minutes. The cooler dimensions are 31-inch x 15.5 x 12H, with overall dimensions of 36 x 20 x 38.25H. What we like. This cooler is made of stainless steel, offering both durability and style. The detachable tub makes it easy to transport and clean. It also has a built-in bottle opener, which is very convenient. If you are hosting a party or event and want a cooler that combines functionality with elegance, this is a great choice. What people say. Rolls around easily and can be taken off the stand by just lifting it up. The stainless steel makes the cooler look more elegant for parties. Kept ice most of the day in high 90s. But even when ice began to melt it stayed cold. Number 3. YETI Tundra 160 Cooler. This cooler is designed for those who demand the best. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions, season after season. You can count on it. Thanks to its permafrost insulation and fat wall design, it keeps ice frozen for a long time. This cooler is also certified bear resistant, so it's safe to use. The rotomolded construction makes it armored to the core. Its sturdy construction will stand up to the rigors of any journey you take it on. It features T-Rex lid latches constructed of heavy-duty rubber. These latches are made with patented technology, so you'll never have to worry about a broken latch. The Tundra 160 measures 45 inches long, 19.12 inches wide, and 21.5 inches high. It also comes standard with one dry goods basket. What we like. This cooler is built to be bear resistant, ensuring your contents stay safe. Its rotomolded construction makes it incredibly durable. The heavy-duty latches provide a secure seal. If you are planning a rugged outdoor adventure and need a cooler that can handle anything, you should consider this one. What people say. Kept our food frozen through 110-degree heat in Utah and Nevada for a period of 4 days. We utilize dry ice and conventional ice. It is completely leak resistant, and you might not buy another cooler for a minimum of 10 to 15 years. Fishing days. This holds ice all week in the hot sun. Number 2. YETI Tundra 250 Cooler, White. This is the deepest outdoor cooler from YETI. It allows you to carry a large amount of food or drinks without taking up too much space. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure. Thanks to up to 3 inches of permafrost insulation, ice stays ice. The extra thick fat wall design is also certified bear resistant, keeping your items safe and cold. The rotomolded construction makes it armored to the core and virtually indestructible. Its sturdy construction will withstand the rigors of any journey you take it on. All Tundra coolers feature T-Rex lid latches constructed of heavy-duty rubber. You'll never have to worry about a busted latch again, thanks to its patented keeper technology. The dimensions are 39.38 inches long x 25.12 inches wide x 24 inches high, with an empty weight of 62 pounds. It also comes standard with one dry goods basket. What we like. This cooler has a deep design, allowing you to haul a mighty load of food or drinks. It is also bear resistant and features rotomolded construction for durability. If you need maximum storage capacity for extended trips or large gatherings, you should consider this one. What people say. The cooler's wheels and handle made it easy to transport, even when fully loaded. The cooler kept ice for several days, even in hot weather. The drain plug made it easy to empty the cooler. Number 1. Coleman Classic 100 Quart Rolling Cooler. This Coleman cooler is fully insulated, with its lid and body working together to keep ice for up to 5 days, even in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. You can count on it to keep your items cold for extended periods. Designed for easy transport, this cooler features heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and a durable tow handle. It makes moving your items a breeze, whether you're at a campsite or a backyard party. The lid includes molded cup holders to prevent spills, accommodating up to 30-ounce tumblers. It's perfect for keeping your drinks secure and within easy reach. The closed lid can support up to 250 pounds, providing a convenient place to sit. It's a versatile addition, adding functionality beyond just keeping things cold. Cleaning is easy with the stain-resistant liner and leak-proof channel drain plug. This feature ensures that the cooler is easy to maintain and ready for your next adventure. With a large capacity, it can hold up to 160 cans. This cooler is perfect for large gatherings or extended trips, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your needs. It features a recessed lip for easier access to contents. This design makes it simple to open and close, providing convenience with every use. What we like. This cooler keeps ice for up to 5 days, perfect for extended use. It features heavy-duty wheels and cup holders for convenience. If you are looking for a cooler that offers long-lasting ice retention and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. With its heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and tow and swing-up handles, it is designed for easy transport, making it great for camping, picnics, tailgating, and any other outdoor activity. This fully insulated cooler has a lid and body designed to keep the ice for up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an ideal choice for longer trips or events. The have-a-seat lid is a unique feature of this cooler, as it can support up to 250 pounds, allowing you to use it as an extra seat in a pinch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.